Mike, Hennessey Performance. I'm beyond excited to finally show y'all our newest addition to the Ford lineup, the Venom 800 F-150. We're going to do a really quick walk around, kind of talk about some of the features that are offered on the new upgraded edition, including some of our proprietary components. But all in all, this truck just came out amazing. It's a turnkey product. This truck comes to us as a standard Lariat F-150 with the 5.0 liter V8. We go in, we upgrade it, put a supercharger on that truck, and that's where you're getting the 800 horsepower. Outside of the performance upgrades, we go through, we do a 20-inch wheel with the Brembo brakes that you can see coming through the wheel, 6-piston, 35-inch off-road tires, full suspension replacement with BDS suspension, coilovers, Fox reservoir shocks, front and rear. We do a color match fender flare to really protect the car and give it a more broader, wider stance and make it look more aggressive. We also go through, remove the factory front bumper, upgrade to a stainless steel, just masher of a front bumper. It integrates the factory LED lights. It has all your running components with your sensors, your 20-inch LED light bar, and this massive ram bar. But we really wanted to make a statement on the 2024 F-150. So we went through, removed the factory grille, designed and engineered an all-new, fully exposed carbon fiber front grille, high flow airflow. It's got big Hennessey bold letters across the front, so everybody in the town is going to know that you're driving the biggest and the fastest F-150 out there. So the Venom 800 comes with our upgraded badging on the exterior. Also in the interior, we have a serial numbered plaque that tells you which vehicle you have. These trucks are limited to 250 units per year, and all of them come with a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty, which we can service at any Ford dealership across the country. Inside the cabin, we do some nice little touches to make sure that everyone inside knows that you're driving a Hennessey truck. So you'll see the Hennessey embroidered headrest, the nice WeatherTech all-weather floor mats branded by Hennessey. We do a dual exhaust out the rear. This thing really just wakes the truck up and makes it sound really aggressive while you're driving down the road. So that was a quick walk around on the Venom 800. These things are ready for immediate delivery. Don't hesitate to call so we can reserve one for you today.